Hey guys, Digital Mentor here. Today I'm going to talk to you about Bluehost versus Siteground, and which web hosting is going to be best fitted for you and your needs. If you like this video, don't forget to give a thumbs up. It really helps this channel out all the times that you give it a thumbs up. If you haven't done so already, please make sure to subscribe to this channel as well as hit the bell icon in the corner for notifications for future videos. Guys, I am going to leave links in the bottom of my description for discounted prices for both Bluehost as well as Siteground. So if you decide that one of these is best fitted for you for a web hosting tool, make sure to click through my links to get a discounted price. But also, if you're looking for my #1 recommendation to make money online, it's going to be linked in the description below. So guys, getting right into this, Bluehost as well as Siteground are web hosting tools that you can use. And right now we are going to compare and contrast them. So if you go over to Bluehost, let me pull myself back up. When you go over to Bluehost, you're going to come to this screen right here. Now, when you go to Siteground, you're going to come to something that looks similar to this. It's really easy logins. It's really easy to get started. So to begin this compare and contrast, I would have to say that Bluehost is going to be the easiest installation as it only is one click, where SiteGround is going to be a couple clicks. It's not hard, but it's nowhere near as easy as Bluehost. So this is definitely, if you're not sure what you're doing, Bluehost and installation get you all frazzled. Bluehost is definitely going to be the way that you're going to want to go. Like I said, if you get frazzled with installation, I know my mother-in-law would probably end up with Bluehost because she gets really upset when things don't work after the first click. So I would definitely look into Bluehost for that. But if you're more experienced in this website stuff, SiteGround is going to be easy for you. You're going to be able to cruise right through it, and it's a really good option to have. Now, on to one of the more important factors of this web hosting is the prices. Now, they both offer 3-year, 1-year plans, but you can't pay monthly. You're going to have to pay a one-time payment per package that you do buy. So with Bluehost, it's going to, I know it says $2.99 on here. It's going to be $5.95 per month for your first term if you get a 3-year plan. So this isn't for like the fade apart. You need to stick with these for a little bit. They don't offer just monthly plans. So you're definitely going to be better off if you do the 3-year plan. It's going to be cheaper in the long run. So SiteGround offers the same exact price, $5.95 per month for the first term in their 3-year plan. But guys, you have to remember this is only for the first term. After that, it's either going to lower or it's going to increase. So keep that in mind when you sign up for this. Don't quote me on $5.95 per month per year because it's going to fluctuate a little bit. Now, if you were to do the 1-year plan for Bluehost, it's going to be $7.95 per month for your first term. So if you're looking on keeping this around for a little bit, I would automatically sign up for the 3-year plan if you're going to be using Bluehost. Now, with SiteGround, it's going to stay $5.95 for the 1-year plan per month for the first term. But I can't stress it enough, guys, that it's only for the first term. The cheapest way to get around this is to sign up for the 3-year plan and just keep it around. It's going to be cheaper in the long run, and if you're really serious about this, spending the couple extra dollars is going to be worth it for you. Now, in regards to a domain, Bluehost offers free domains, which is one thing I really like about Bluehost, where the domain is going to be $15.95 for you to be able to get a domain through SiteGround. So it's not free. There's no free trial for it. That's just the way it works. I like SiteGround, but I think I prefer Bluehost price package wise. So there is absolutely no trial at all for Bluehost, which is the downfall I found with Bluehost. There's no trial. There's no 30-day trial. None of that. But with SiteGround, it offers a 1 month trial for $5.95 plus $24.99. So if you're really unsure about how SiteGround works, are you going to be able to install it? Are you going to be able to figure out how, everything works with it? They do offer a 1 month trial for $5.95 plus $24.99. So moving on to the uptime, I found that they are both 99% 9% uptime. They have great speeds. They're super duper fast. I've never seen an issue with either one of them. They're both really quick. So I don't think it really would matter whether you pick Bluehost versus SiteGround. I think they're both just as quick as the other one. You're going to be able, I mean, they might be like a millisecond difference, but it's really hard to notice any difference between Bluehost or SiteGround. So I would give them both a thumbs up for that. Now, if you're a beginner versus an expert, I think that Bluehost is the best for a beginner. I think it's easier to work around. I think the one-step installation makes it a lot easier. Whereas SiteGround is really good, but you need to know what you're doing. You can't be a beginner. I mean, you can, but you might find that you're contacting support a little bit more if you're picking SiteGround versus Bluehost. Um, they both have top-notch security. They have the best security I've ever seen. So if that's something that you're concerned about, your information, your security, somebody hacking into your web hosting, I don't think you need to worry for either one of them. I think they're both equivalent security-wise. So if that's something you've been concerned about, they have great high security. Now, in regards to, if this is your first time using a web hosting website or anything along those lines, they both have the best support possible. 24/7, no matter where you're at, what time of the day or night it is, they both have 24-hour 24-hour security, 7 days a week. Sorry, guys. So if you have any questions, there's always somebody that you can get a hold of. You can always send messages in. You're going to get speedy replies. So the support is probably the best for both websites. I think they're both equivalent support-wise. So if you do get caught up in something you aren't really sure about it, no matter which site you do decide to pick, you're going to be able to cruise right through it. You're going to get the help you need, and you have nothing to worry about. Now, guys, to the $1,000,000 question, which platform would I choose to recommend? Now, I've found that WordPress highly recommends Bluehost and SiteGround equally, so that really doesn't sway my opinion too much. But if I have to pick, I probably would go with Bluehost. It's like I said, it's a one-click installation versus a couple steps. I like things to be quick and easy. I don't like to spend a lot of time installing things. That's one big winner for me. I do find that the 3-year plan on Bluehost is going to be your best option. And as a beginner, I think Bluehost is where you want to be. I think it's, like I said, the easiest to figure out, the easiest to use, and who doesn't like easy in their life? So, that's another reason why I'm going to go with Bluehost. It has 99% 9 uptime, which is the same with SiteGround, but it's not less. So that's another reason why I would go with Bluehost. It's easier, it's more user-friendly, it's easier for beginners. There's a one-click installation. Price-wise, it's about the same if you pick a 3-year plan. They have the same 24-hour support, the same high security, and it is, I think, the easiest way to go about it. So like I said, guys, I would definitely stick with Bluehost, although I'm not dissing SiteGround. I think that's a great program to use if that fits your needs better. I see that you can use it in a few different countries. They have a chat. You can call somebody 24/7. They have international numbers and US numbers. You can write them in chats. It's an easy login. It's easy to figure out. And they do right now offer a special intro offer of a 30-day money-back guarantee. So after 30 days, if you decide that it's not something that works for you, you can get your money back. This is really, it's built for success. It's got a money back guarantee, and WordPress makes it really, really easy. It's really easy. It's step by step. You can't really mess this up. So that's why I would highly suggest Bluehost versus SiteGround, although SiteGround is great. Guys, if you like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. All the thumbs up help my channel a ton as we're new and I'm starting out. Make sure to hit subscribe. Please, please, please. If you like any of the videos, make sure to subscribe to this channel. And if you want to get notifications for future videos, I'm trying to get them up as much as possible. But life happens. Make sure to hit the bell icon in the corner for the notifications for videos. Don't forget, I am going to leave links for Bluehost and Siteground in my description. So don't forget to click through them. You're going to get them for a discounted price in my description versus going there straight through Google or whatever type of search engine you're using. So your best bet is to click through my description links. Also, guys, if you're still looking for a way to make money online, know that my #1 recommendation is in the link in the description. I'm going to link it in the description. Make sure to check that out too. Thanks for watching, guys. Hope you liked it. See you soon.